term, the Batang Musmus at first was just a political nickname. ABM. Ang Batang Musmus sa politika. That was in 2007. After the end of the politics, that was already gone. And then,
So those are your initials?
yes, my initial. Then, early part of this year, we were thinking about a party list. Officially, we thought that in February 14, that would be the birth of the Batang Musmus. No longer the Batang Musmus sa politika, but Batang Musmus as a movement.
Right.
See? Now, from then on, we were trying to work it out that we have, if you base it in the requirement, with the requirements of the COMELEC, there's no way it can be registered.
Exactly.
You have to set up, different regional offices. So,
It's really impossible for you
The
to...
COMELEC makes it impossible.
yeah. But then,
No, the guidelines of the COMELEC doesn't compromise with you, with the Batang
who
Musmus.
told me if I have the money, they will compromise. Even now, if I have the 10, 20 million, they will accredit it. See? Do you think they would not do that if you
There are
have...
still how many party list seats available as of now? Like, madami pang available ngayon.
But the good
63
people
pa
in
yan.
COMELEC, like those
But
are
that's
really
a
straight.
good avenue ang Batang Musmus.
Yeah,
Maraming
it is.
events
The
sa
straight
Aga,
employees
no?
of COMELEC, they are
Actually, he was really looking forward to get in touch with the Vice Mayor of Manila kasi di ba from his humble beginnings natin.
Cisco?
Yeah, sana, I would be willing to be just a second nominee and he would be the first nominee. In fact, the first person that came to my mind that can also fit with the Batang was Manny Pacquiao. Because,
But of course, Manny Pacquiao with all
Manny
the...
Pacquiao has his own plans and
Yeah.
he's
but
got
I
his
think
own advice.
he's not 100% sure of winning with the kind of, party that he set up in Sarangani.
But the thing with Manny right now, and I'm speaking from experience, it's hard to penetrate his cordon
Ah,
side.
yeah,
Oh my God.
I had only one experience when I interacted with him, like, but that was the time of the campaign period when he was, more or less very open to public,
Right.
anybody can come, but after
Ngayon,
that.
mas malala siya, mas malala ang kamay
But,
niya.
but the association of Batang Musmus, especially there are like caricatures, we match locally over there. He sends me lots of articles about the Batang Musmus. Yan na kaya I've been sending text. Yeah, in fact, the Batang Musmus website, movement website, I really wrote it there. Pinatay ang Batang Musmus ng COMELEC. We also killed the Batang Musmus. At pinatay ang Batang Musmus ng COMELEC at ang mga galamay nito. I don't care if they will get back to me, but that's the truth. Kasi if they're really, see, with their very restrictive, very rigid rules and policies, they should nurture the Batang Musmus.
Because you're very apolitical.
Ha?
Wala kang mga affiliate sa politiko masyado, mga kaya hindi ka nila binigyan ng pansin. But if you have them.
But no, but with the COMELEC, alam mo ang problema sa COMELEC, commissioners eh. But the local employees, section chief, mga heads, department heads, they're straight. Sabi nga nila, well, maybe for 2014, just follow, But it may change because...
But of course, kailangan mo pa rin ng legal advice talaga how to register properly,
No.
how to go with
Ang kwan talaga...
How about your legal advisor? Is he okay or is he looking for money also?
Pero ang public sa COMELEC, siguro kung sabi nga ng mga state sa COMELEC, they have seen how they really parang bang talagang parang bang sinasala nila.
At ngayon, alam mo, mas maganda, magsisimula ka talaga, mag-create ka ng ingay.
Exactly.
Mag-ingay ka muna.
That's what I would suggest.
Mag-ingay ka
Talk
muna.
about
Then
it
it will
also.
be easier for you to penetrate kung kailangan. Kasi maingay ka na eh. Marami ka na
Marami ka na
follower. Kung kilala ka na, from the downstream up to the unclad.
Tsaka kasi, psychologically speaking, the Philippine society goes for
Yung mga
yung
underdog.
ina-underdog.
Exactly.
So,
Para
kapag ikaw gumagawa ka
ka.
ng maganda, marami ng balita tungkol sa... Subukan mo atakihin ng batay bata, ang dami mong kaaway. Kasi maingin sila.
Ako
marami
naman,
silang
parang
accomplishment.
na-insecure din ako na baka for the more this big TV network will look down on me. You're hurting us. You've been here as batang bantay-bata over the years. What do you still
Mas
do?
maganda nga yun eh.
Alam mo, sir,
Alam mo, that's the reason why they back off from that interview at the Filipino channel in the US.
Yes,
We
because
did learn
that's
that.
why you have to find other channels.
Yeah.
Channel 2 is not the
And
Philippines.
the Filipino
No, but
channel
then
is
in the
channel
US, but I
two.
thought that, oh wow, they approached me, they sent me email, and then they want, but then
Does it
later on,
matter?
nag-surface na nga yung politics ko, nag-surface na yung bata musmos. They are not crazy na when they start interviewing me, lalabas talaga, whether I like it or not, ilalabas ko talaga yung batang musmos. See? So,
That's where PR comes in.
di sila
That's the job of the PR.
Atlas sila, bigla na tumahimik yung
Alam mo naman, sir, ha? Kakalabanin nila, kahit anong gawin ng GMA, kakalabanin nila. And the same with
That's why I
GMA.
thought maybe I should align with GMA because
No,
hindi rin, ano.
you should be friends, but you should not align.
But do they have like a foundation also in GMA that
Yes.
looks at children?
Yes, headed by Mel Chanco.
Oh, meron din. Okay.
Yes. Doon na, mas mahirap kaya kausap si Mel Chanco, no? Napakahirap kausap.
Ganun pala, may politics din
Ay,
itong
naku.
mga TV network na to.
Oo naman.
Tsaka yung inilalabas nila sa TV na, oh, dami na ng tulungan. Tanong mo, ilan ang tinurn down nila, your heart will break.
Yeah, I know that part. Kasi sabi ko, all these are just publicity.
Exactly.
Now, pero sa akin kako, with my very limited funds, but I have nice stories to tell, like the 14, 15-year-old girl who was raped, the child with the hydrocephalus that we helped, the child with the seborrheic or atopic dermatitis. Because they're all in YouTube. These are the batang musmus.
Pero kasi, if your ultimate goal is
Recently,
to...
the 30 kids that I fed last Sunday with the real lugaw na masarap. Because most of the lugaws without corn, without
Ito
chicken.
pinag-usapan natin, di ba?
Ah?
Pakain tayo ng lugaw.
You see?
Totoong lugaw with goto, with arroscado.
Mine was really big chunk of chicken and a fruit juice. All to 30 pounds, 34
Pero let me
kids.
ask you this. What is your ultimate goal? Do you really want to go for the party list
Exactly.
seat in the next election?
What
Not
is
2000. What is your goal? What do you want to do?
You know what, if you really ask me, my politics is only a vehicle for my advocacy.
So that would be a yes.
Ha?
That would be a yes.
To the part, ha?
That would be a yes.
My politics? If
No, no,
I,
no, no. You want to go for the party list
yeah,
seat.
it
Okay.
could be, yeah, could be. But I'm talking about the first district of Davao where I really started my politics.
Right.
There's no way, I mean, I'm not a dreamer that can really win the Nobraneses or the Dutertes in
Pero,
Davao.
But I
sir,
think, wait
it doesn't matter. If you have a seat in Congress, it doesn't matter if it's for the first district of Cotabato or for
Exactly.
if you have one vote each, it doesn't
Exactly.
matter.
And it would be easier for you to, I think, to penetrate through
Yeah.
party list kasi certain percentage of the voting population.
Yeah, I know that if only we were able to catch up with the deadline, there's a big chance for me to be in Congress with ang batang musmus than
Pero siguro, let's look at it from a divine perspective. Baka hindi ka lang muna pinayagan mismo.
Pinayagan.
Dahil
Kasi-
sa pinaka-build up lang yung team mo.
yeah.
So that later on, full blast ka.
Pinakukulo ka muna
Oo,
talaga.
hindi ilaw. I think
Kasi
that's
parang
it.
mahirap din magluto na iserve mo sa media,
Kasi ako,
iserve mo
I-
sa tao, yung niluluto mo hilaw.
Mm.
Hilaw ka. Marami magtatanong sa'yo, bakit, paano? Maraming if, maraming why, maraming question
What?
mark. Ang importante doon, luto ka. Malinis,
For example,
luto, maganda, masarap.
I have one vote. I have one party list vote. I did not vote ABM. But now that I know, I vote for you. O ano yun ang, ano ang...
Yeah, but you know what? Our thinking was for really, yung katulad din kay GMA in 2004, that when she really wants to be a president, she will spend all her, you know, by all means, right? So we thought that if only we were given the chance to be accredited by COMELEC, then we will make sure by all means we will